first sawmill in America was in York, Maine, and built in 1623. A lot of times people ask me how I got in this business, and I got in this business by getting married. It's my wife's family's company going back in one form or another to 1929, so almost a 100-year-old company. Fun fact, well, you know the term jack of all trades. Well, that's sort of where the term lumberjack comes from. Jack is old term from the 1900s for laborers. During the Second World War, a lot of women came into that industry, and so they were called lumberjills. Just kind of funny. We have a big history in our company with World War II, and there's another video you can look for that actually talks about that history. It's pretty cool.